Welcome to the Solar Return on Investment Calculator. Here's how it works. First, enter your address in the box at the top of the page. Then, our software looks at your roof and suggests a solar system size that will fit. Now, it's your turn to enter the number of kilowatt hours your home uses every year into the kilowatt hour per use box. You can find this on your bill. You might have to add up all the months manually from the little bar chart that you see on your bill. If this is hard to find, you can take the dollars on a given month and the kilowatt hours on a given month and divide the dollars by the number of kilowatt hours. That'll give you the dollars per kilowatt hour price that you want to enter into the box under utility rate in the calculator. Now this number should be somewhere between 12 and 50 cents. It's true that in some places of the country, electricity is only 12 cents, and in other places it's 50 cents. And I know, it's wild. Now the calculator will show you your return on investment with some default values that we've added. So you can adapt those values also and see your return on investment in real time. So for example, if you want a smaller or a larger solar system, go ahead and enter a number in the system size box. This will typically be a number between 5 and 20 kilowatts. And if you want to pay cash instead of a loan, just toggle the loan cash box. If your utility or your state or your city has a rebate, enter that in the upfront rebate box. In all cases, you always see in real time a financial summary, very easy to see, right next to all the input boxes. And down below that, you have a 25-year breakdown of all the expenses and revenue from your solar system. Thanks so much for checking out our calculator. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us with the contact form below, and have a great day.